So, Rob, the question is this: how do you evict the words "world's worst tenant"?
Well, first, of course, we have to define what the world's worst tenant is, and there are kind of three categories of world's worst tenants. So there are people who are not paying the rent regularly, and I hear this all the time. Months go by with partial payments until the point comes where they're owed thousands of dollars, the landlord. That kind of thing, it falls into some of the worst tenancy relationships that I can think of. But then there are people who run into criminal trouble. They've been arrested. I'd say that, you know, if they're spending time in jail and having the police knocking at the door, that's a pretty bad situation. And then there are people who do things at the premises, bring animals in. I've had a tenancy where there were snakes brought in. So what do you got to do? You have to notice these people before you start the eviction process. So for some of people who are unaware of this, you have to give 3-day notices to pay up the rent before you can even thinking about an eviction. And for other non-financial reasons like snakes or, you know, you got arrested or whatever these other things are, there's a 7-day cure notice. These aren't evictions. These are the necessary prerequisites to the eviction. Once you've done those, you are now looking at full-scale civil litigation. That's what an eviction is. It's not a special kind, really, of civil litigation. It is civil litigation. So you're going to have to avail yourself of a lawyer or be willing to do the hard process of learning how to do a lawsuit yourself.
Very good.